Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Looks Reviews Shopify app, Looks Product Reviews tutorial for beginners in AI era. In today's digital marketplace, social proof can make or break your online store. Customers are more informed than ever and often look to reviews to make purchasing decisions. This is where the Looks Reviews Shopify app comes into play. By utilizing Looks, you can not only display customer reviews elegantly but also boost your credibility and enhance the overall shopping experience. Let's dive into how you can set up and maximize the benefits of Looks Reviews for your Shopify store, especially in this era dominated by artificial intelligence. To begin, you'll need to install the Looks app on your Shopify store. You can find the app in the Shopify App Store, and we'll provide a link for easy access. Installing Looks is a straightforward process. Once you click the install button, it will seamlessly integrate into your Shopify dashboard. If you're new to Shopify, don't worry, there's a free trial available to get you started. After installation, you'll encounter two main pricing plans, the beginner plan and the scale plan. For this demonstration, we're opting for the scale plan. However, if you're just starting, the beginner plan is perfectly adequate for initial needs. Once subscribed, Looks will guide you through a simple setup process. You'll be asked to set your primary store language. English is a common choice. This step ensures that your reviews are in the language most accessible to your audience. One of the unique features of Looks is its high level of customization. This means you can tailor the appearance of your product review widgets to match your brand identity. You can select brand colors, icon styles, and more. For instance, a blue theme with a fire icon in red can create a vibrant and appealing look. The next step is to customize your review widget layout. Looks offers several preset layouts, and you can choose the one that best fits your store's aesthetic. The default layout is generally a safe choice, as it is designed to be visually pleasing and functional. One of the standout features of Looks is its automated system for gathering reviews. After a purchase, Looks can send emails to customers asking for reviews. You can set the timing of these emails, usually recommended at around 14 days post-purchase. Additionally, you have the option to incentivize reviews by offering discounts for photo or video reviews. This strategy not only increases the quantity of reviews but also enhances their quality by encouraging customers to share more detailed feedback. Offering a 10% discount for photos and a 15% discount for videos can be effective incentives. Looks also provides a referral system that can help drive more traffic to your store. By setting up referral discounts, you can encourage existing customers to refer new buyers to your store, thus increasing your customer base and potential revenue. It's a simple yet powerful tool, as it requires minimal effort once set up. To implement these features, you'll need to enable Looks on your store's theme. This involves ensuring that the app is activated and saving the settings. After enabling, you can add the product review widget to your store. This process typically involves following on-screen prompts, making it user-friendly even for beginners. The review widget not only displays customer feedback but also serves as social proof, reinforcing the quality of your products. You can further enhance credibility by adding a ratings widget, ideally positioned below the product price to catch the customer's eye. Customization doesn't stop there. Looks allows you to adjust the alignment of the widget, choose whether to show all reviews, and decide if a floating product review widget should open upon clicking. These settings help tailor the review experience to your store's unique style. Importing reviews is another critical feature of Looks. You have multiple options, importing from AliExpress, other supported apps like Yotpo or Judge.me, or even from a spreadsheet. The AliExpress import option is particularly useful for those who want to quickly populate their store with reviews. It's as simple as dragging a bookmark to your toolbar and selecting the reviews you want to import. Once reviews are imported, it's crucial to manage them effectively. Aim to have at least 50 reviews to ensure customers have enough information to make informed decisions. With Looks, you can also customize how reviews are displayed, providing options like a pop-up widget, a trust badge, or a happy customer page. For added impact, consider using the pop-up widget, which displays social proof dynamically as customers browse your site. The trust badge widget can also enhance credibility by showcasing overall customer satisfaction. Looks doesn't stop at reviews, it offers upsell integrations and referral options to further boost your sales. By setting up these features, you can increase your store's average order value with minimal effort. To sum up, Looks is an invaluable tool for any Shopify store owner looking to leverage social proof effectively. It enhances customer trust, encourages engagement through reviews and referrals, and ultimately drives more sales. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced store owner, Looks provides the flexibility and features needed to succeed in the competitive e-commerce landscape of the AI era. Now that you have a grasp on the basic setup, let's explore some practical examples of how Looks reviews can be utilized to maximize its benefits in real-world scenarios. Suppose you run a fashion store. Customers are often hesitant to buy clothing online due to sizing concerns. By using Looks, you can encourage past buyers to leave detailed reviews about fit and quality, potentially even sharing photos. This helps future buyers make informed decisions, reducing return rates and enhancing customer satisfaction. Another common application is for tech gadgets. In this case, video reviews can be particularly powerful. Customers can demonstrate how they use the product, highlighting features and benefits that written reviews might not capture. This visual content can be a game changer in convincing potential buyers who are on the fence. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes. A frequent error is not customizing the timing of review request emails. If sent too soon, customers may not have had enough time to use the product. Conversely, waiting too long might result in customers losing interest. A good rule of thumb is to consider the product's typical use cycle. For instance, for consumable goods, a follow-up after 2 weeks might be appropriate, while for longer-term products, waiting a month could be better. When troubleshooting, one issue you might encounter is low response rates to review requests. If this happens, review the content of your emails. Ensure they are engaging, clear, and concise. Consider personalizing them with the customer's name and details about their purchase to increase engagement. Here are some useful tips. Take advantage of the AI features within Looks to analyze review sentiment. This can provide insights into customer satisfaction trends and areas for improvement. Additionally, regularly update your review widget's appearance to reflect seasonal changes or marketing campaigns. This keeps your store fresh and engaging for repeat visitors. Remember, Looks is not just about collecting reviews, it's about building a community of satisfied customers who advocate for your brand. Encourage interaction by responding to reviews, whether positive or negative. This shows you value customer feedback and are committed to continuous improvement. Finally, if you're ever in doubt, Looks' support team offers extensive resources and assistance to help you get the most out of the app. With these strategies in place, you're well on your way to harnessing the full potential of Looks reviews in this AI-dominated era. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to use Looks Reviews Shopify app, Looks Product Reviews Tutorial. For beginners in AI era. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.